Imagine floating, lifted by a silent breeze, into a pastel claymation sky. Below, South Korea is reimagined. Soft hills, gentle colors, and a golden sun rising over a handcrafted world. Tiny sculpted trees glow in the first light. Cities are colorful blocks. Rivers shimmer as blue ribbons. The world feels vast, yet intimate. Cotton clouds drift above, and silence hums with a gentle peace. We are observers in a peaceful diorama, invited into a dream of calm and wonder. No sharp edges, only quiet contemplation. The landscape breathes, colors shifting in a soft flow. Our flight drifts towards Seoul, a mosaic of clay shapes and gentle colors. Skyscrapers rise like polished stones, their windows sparkling in the morning light. Seoul Tower stands tall above the city's calm beauty. The Han River flows as a deep blue ribbon, bordered by vibrant parks. Ancient palaces like Gyeongbokgung quietly contrast the modern skyline. Palace grounds linger in silence, where history and modern life blend in peaceful harmony. Beyond the center, neighborhoods form a patchwork of neat houses and parks tucked between buildings. From its tallest tower to smallest home, Seoul feels like a single, peaceful work of art. We leave the city behind, gliding over South Korea's rolling green heart. Mountains and hills stretch endlessly, layered in deepening shades of green and blue. Sunlight drapes over their curves, casting gentle shadows in the valleys. Rice paddies terrace the hillsides, shimmering pools reflecting the sky. The landscape is a mosaic of greens and golds, where nature and human effort meet. A winding river leads us through valleys of spring blossoms. Cherry trees in pink and white, lining the banks. The river mirrors the blossoms, a shimmering path of pink and blue. We float over untouched forests, where a sculpted deer or bird might appear below. This is the wild heart of Korea, a sanctuary of deep peace. Our journey turns south, where green hills yield to golden sand, and the Korean peninsula meets the sea. The coastline curves in soft pale clay, waves marked by faint white lines in a rhythmic silent dance. We drift over the water toward Jeju Island, rising like a green shield from the sea. Halasan volcano stands at its center, its peak shrouded in white clay clouds. The island's shore is a dramatic mix of black volcanic rock and pristine beaches, the contrast striking against turquoise water. Underwater rocks and seaweed beds show through the clear blue, while small green islets dot the sea. Tiny figures of Haenyeo divers bob on the surface, adding a touch of human spirit and tradition. Circling the island, we pass fields of bright yellow canola flowers and smooth white clay waterfalls tumbling into blue pools. Every part of Jeju feels special, a secluded paradise shaped by nature's artistry. The rhythms of land and sea dictate the flow of time here. It is a haven of peace, a world unto itself. The beauty is both dramatic and gentle. Nature's calm reigns supreme. The sun, now a deep orange orb, begins its slow descent. We float gently back to the mainland, the world below softening in twilight. The sky blends orange, pink, and purple. The sea reflects a shimmering sheet of color. The world prepares for rest, every shape softened by fading light. We drift over a quiet mountain temple, its roof silhouetted against the sky, a single golden light glowing within. The mountains are deep purple shadows, the air cool and calm. Silence deepens, a world at peace. Our journey has shown us beauty from city calm to wild splendor all through a tranquil lens. As we touch down, the peace lingers, a reminder to slow down and notice the world's quiet rhythms. The serene images of this claymation career remain, a memory to return to for calm. The journey ends, but the tranquility endures.